Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Off-White Air Prestos.
Where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin', laying low, but I'm not taking this seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running.
Yo, so got the Air Presto in hand, which I'm super excited about. I've been told many times now that my excitement doesn't translate well on camera. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed, to say the least. Winning this pair, I thought this shit would never happen. So I was surprised when I got the message from Offspring. Won my pair in a size 8 to pick up from Oxford Street Offspring. As usual, we'll have a look at the details on the shoe, then we'll move on to the on foot and all that good stuff. So start off with the toe and the mudguard. It's in this sort of thick double layered mesh material, which attracts the dirt big time. This is like, you know, when you get white trainers, these are whiter than white. These are mad white. So you got that worked around until it stops off at the heel cage, which is slightly transparent in that plastic you usually get on Prestos. And then we've got the normal cage for the lacing, which is also slightly transparent. We've got air in speech marks on the rear. Then it's on this strap, Velcro strap, it's on the back. And then we've got the swoosh in the off-white colouring. Yeah, I know, off-white colouring. Who would have thought? And then there's the orange tab there. We've got this cut and sew sort of tongue in this ice blue. It's not totally white like the rest of the shoe, which is nice. And on the tongue, we've got the little Nike tab there. Then shoelaces on the all-white shoelaces. In that quotation, we've got the standard zip tie you get on all off-white pairs. And then off-white for Air Presto on inside there. Then we've got white midsole, outsole, except for this little bit on the heel. And that about covers it. You get neon orange laces, obviously with the shoelaces in speech marks. Again, your standard off-white box with this Nike swoosh on the top. Then we've got the off-white shoebox and the 10. Okay, so retail price for these Air Prestos was £130. I'd say don't pay resale for these. I don't see them being worth it, but that's up to you. And they fit true to size as well, so go with whatever your usual Nike size is and they'll fit great. So I did un-DS them walking out the store, as you can see, and let me just say, these are the biggest dirt magnets I've got in my collection. There's marks. I only wore them for a few hours and there's marks all over them. Marks on the heel, marks on the midsole, marks on the toe. But yeah, it's what you can expect from a white trainer. Another thing about these off-white Prestos is, considering this sort of double layered mesh material has been used at the front and stitched around here, you sort of lose that aesthetic runner shape you see in Prestos usually. So instead of having a sleek point to the end, you get that sort of cliff face that we used to see in the 2008 onwards Air Max 1s. So it's not a sleek finish there, but I mean, who cares? I mean, I do sort of care, but It's just one of those things. Big shout out to the guys at Offspring for handling everything so well recently. I mean, I was skeptical just as everyone else was. You know what? A lot of my friends and people that are collecting shoes are winning. So, I mean, it's a good job. And all I can do is give them props. I'll have an on foot following this little on foot video. Let me know in the comments, should I dye these? Should I keep them OG? Just let me know. I was thinking if I was going to dye them, I was going to do them grey or maybe some sort of red. I'm not sure, it's just something I gave a little thought to. So let me know in the comments. Give me a follow on Instagram at Rocket Don't Stock It. I'll be posting on foot pictures, all that good shit. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll have some more good stuff coming soon enough, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.